Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. There are 10 hand-drawn watercolor patterns by BulkGFX. Right click on it, mirror, extract files. Okay, so you can easily download by the link in the description. Click on it, download now. Download anyway. Start download. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download again. Cancel. So this file includes these patterns, wait for it to load. These are high graphic images. Wait for it to load. Are also available for macOS. This file not supported in Windows. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.